My name is Andreanne, and I'm the founder and CEO of Acrodynamix. We're a software company developing a system that will revolutionize judging and training in acrobatic sports. Acrobatic sports in general have a tendency to be judged subjectively, and so there's a lot of room for like scandals and biases to creep up in the scoring, and it can cost someone a gold medal. So my inspiration is to kind of try to make all the judging more objective. And because our product is a little bit more cost effective, then we can also offer it as a training tool. Right now we have software that can take someone just jumping like video and convert it into a 3D model of the person. We can track acceleration, the force, the angles between all the different body parts, so we can judge execution, like how well a skill is done. So there's a lot of applications, not just in trampoline, but in other sports like skiing, figure skating, diving. There's a lot of opportunities. We are taking a lot of workshops. The mentors are really supporting us, showing us all the different opportunities, building really good, like a community. We bounce ideas with other companies. It's a really great environment to develop our ideas and our prototypes.